What are you doing?
Mama.
What? What you got for me? Thank you. You got me a rock? Daddy's at work. Can you say yellow? Yellow. Where's... Say blue? Can you say one? Say hey, Pepe. Watch out. You're going to trip. Don't you get in that dog bowl. That's the dog's water. No. Get out of there. That's Josie's water. Get out of her water. You got a swimming pool over. Ew, Ethan. Nasty. Come on. No. Come on. You're crazy. Come on. Come on. I'm going to go swimming. I'm going to play in the wall. Ethan, get out of there. You crazy? Are you sitting down? Say one. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Say 1. Can you count? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! All right. Can you do it again? Again? 1. Can you say A? B? What? No, we're not going in the house yet. Your feces are messy from the grass. Can you come back down here? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.